So this orchard right here needs a massive cleanup job. I see in the middle of it there's a old tank for water. It's very small. There's trees that are overgrown. There's pine trees growing in it that shouldn't even really be there. Although I'm going to cut their branches and top them off and keep them a little bit. There's trees like this one here that I think has died. Nope, it's not totally dead. Looks like it's a peach tree or something. I've got a citrus tree over here that could use some love. I've got a pomegranate. I've got a guava. I've got Nisboro up there, which is loquat. I've got an avocado tree right here. All of these could use the land around them cleared out. We can shape the land so it captures water better because they all want more water than they're getting. I've got an avocado up there as well. And then I have been against using outside fertilizer for a long time. But I can improve this with human manure. That's manure from the composting toilets. And I had chickens and rabbits and would like to be raising those again. There's going to be a whole bunch of work, and I'll talk about that in a different video, to restart that process and become very productive at raising rabbits and chickens again. I can do that. They also produce fertilizer, so those fertilizers can go in here. Also, I could break my rules and buy some pickup trucks with sheep shit, horse shit, cow shit, fertilizer, and it's not expensive. I have to do that before the rains come because they don't want to like collect it, transport it and stuff when it's wet. So I have to do that real soon here. So that's another item I have to finance, is buying the fertilizer, and then that will jumpstart a lot of trees that have had trouble. Like, I mean, I've got fruit trees in other places too. Here's a citrus right here. It could use some love. It has not gotten it. I had a really nice lemon tree. This is a lime tree here. I had a yellow normal lemon tree over there, and I think it died because this whole area is just grown over due to neglect. There just isn't time to do all the things I need to get done.